Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by at My Speed Hub YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and also like our videos and share across so that everyone will have this useful information. Thanks for keep supporting us. With your support, we will be able to come out with more videos in the future. And also click on the bell button so that you get a notification on all our upcoming videos. Now, in the past videos, I've mentioned about the phase one, which is the project initiation, where you gather all the information for your projects, you identify all your stakeholders, and also you look back on your previous projects where you can get some lesson learned information so that you can use for your current project. And phase two is all about the project planning. So you start to plan things, what you want to do for your projects, what are the activities, what are the timeline like or duration likes, and which team can actually perform that particular activities. And you always come up with the work breakdown structure so that you can actually look in the overview of what are the activities that will be involved, and then you will start to do more detailed project planning by using the project management software like monday.com or Trello, Jira, etc. And now we are at phase three, which is the project execution. So project execution is all about implementing what you have already planned, right? So let's get started now. Project execution is all about implementing or executing the plans that have been set during the project planning. Remember, when you do the project planning, you will have a set of activities, or you have the milestone which you have been set according to the timeline, and the assignee or the team members that are supposed to carry out that particular task. So based on that, the execution will happen. And as a project manager, you have to manage the team's work to ensure the team deliver their activities on timely basis, and also to make sure that the team do not face any challenges. If let's say they face any challenges, then as a project manager you have to come in between, and then try to find solution together with the project team members, right? Sometimes during the execution, there could be some recommendation on changes from users, stakeholders, or in fact from the project team member itself, right? So which is important for the project, or important to achieve the project goal. So when such case happen, so you have to review that particular change and ensure that it doesn't impact much on the cost, the scope of the project, the timeline or quality of the project. So if it doesn't impact all these sweeper constraint is something that we review and ensure that the project is deliver according to this triple constraint, which is involve cost, scope, timeline and quality. So if it doesn't impact, then you need to review the changes and implement the particular changes, right? And sometimes some mistakes could happen, and what we need to do is we need to immediately think about the workaround or corrective actions to ensure that we bring the project on track. All right. So while we are executing all these plans, along the way we have to time to time communicate the progress status to the stakeholders, yeah, whether in the form of reporting or in the form of meeting, and etc. And also making sure that we need to celebrate the project milestone that has been achieved by the team members, and also keep motivating the team members so that they have the right attitude or mindset to achieve the rest of the tasks in order to achieve the project goals. And as a project manager, you need to conduct the status review meetings to ensure that the project is on track, and also to see if there's any upcoming risk, or any issues that the team is facing, and discuss about what could be the solutions, or if there's any potential risk, and what are the mitigation plan or mitigation strategy that we could put into place, right? So these are the things that as a project manager you have to monitor, and this is what will happen during the project execution phase. So far, we have already reviewed all the activities or things that happen during the project execution, right? So now I would like to talk about the project management office, also called as the PMO, who is the member or the board that would actually help the project managers to carry out the project in a smooth way and to make it a success. So as a PMO member, their task is to ensure the project managers are adhering to the project management methodology. So project management methodology, for example, they carry out all the quality, quality gates in each phases, like initiation, planning, to check that the project managers are using the right templates, and they carry out the right level of activities in each phases, and then review and approve before they can actually move from initiation phase to planning phase, and from planning phase to check everything is in place as a quality gate, as so that they can actually achieve the minimum level of requirement before they can actually move to the next level, which is the execution phase. All right, so this is actually the task of the PMO in general. And apart from that, they ensure that the project progress based on the timeline that have been set earlier by the project manager. In case there's any delay or potential delays, they will review and discuss with the project manager how they can actually help in order for them to be on track. So also, they will review all the milestones, what are the milestones involved in each project, and also track them based on the timeline set. And also, they will check if there's any dependencies for the project, interdependency for the project, so that they can, discuss with the right departments what kind of help they can actually provide, and also discuss with the management and how they can help to mitigate all these interdependency, and resolve it. And also they will ensure that they conduct the resource allocation review, so that the project having the right level of resources, or right number of resources. If there's any new skills that is required for that particular project, then they will look into that matter. And also they will keep following up with the project manager to ensure the project manager report the project status accurately to the stakeholders and to higher level management. Lastly, they will conduct the periodic resource utilization review meetings to ensure that if there's any help in any area that required by the project manager, they will ensure that the resource utilized correctly, and if there's any new additional resources that are required, they will actually provide the help. So this is the role, important role of the project management office to ensure the project are carried out successfully. Thank you again for your support. Thank you for watching our video and sharing our videos to as many contact as possible. Please do subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell button so that you get the notification on all of upcoming videos. If you would like to purchase more online courses, you could actually visit our online learning platform at myspeedhub.com. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.